G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I hope you enjoy our next video about insulation, and just remember, if you need a quote, click on the link and we're happy to help you out. Okay, so we're just up on this roof lift here, lifting some sheets. We're going to pump it with cellulose, but we've just lifted up and it's all insulated with polyester bats underneath the anti-con blanket, so there's nothing much we can do with that to pump insulation into it. But they've actually just missed this one little bay on the end here, so we'll pump this bay here and we'll check the rest of the job.